Yeah, we're following it after that weather system. It's crazy because just like 4 hours ago, we're talking about sunny conditions and in the 60s.
Things can change very quickly. We had the storm roll through, but quiet out there right now, Brian.
Yeah, that's what makes weather fun, watching the changes that can happen over such a short period of time. And the colder air is flowing back in. The rain has moved out. Severe weather threats gone. So is the 61-degree high we had earlier today. We'll see some strong gusty winds this evening. A few light rain showers still expected to drift back into the area through the evening hours. And by late evening and past midnight, even a few snow flurries are going to be possible. And we could see some snow flurries around on Friday. So it's back to winter weather. Dry conditions Saturday, and we could see some snow and perhaps a little rain thrown in there too on Sunday. 7 o'clock, 44 with those winds, 40 at 9 p.m. We're down to 38 at 11 o'clock. A few rain showers or some snow flurries in the area, and then we'll have a chance of some snow flurries tomorrow during the day. Probably less of a chance by late afternoon and into the early evening, but temperatures just remaining in the low to mid 30s. We still have a wind advisory in effect until 9 o'clock. West-southwest winds out there, 20 to 35. Still could be some gusts to 50 and still could produce some minor wind damage. Now, these were the peak gusts with that line of showers. There were a couple of thunderstorms, and mostly just some heavy showers moving through with strong winds. 64 Dayton, 62 Springboro, 58 Middletown, 54 Wilmington, and 52 in Sydney. Rainfall totals today: Jeff Cador, Bell Center, 9/10 of an inch. David Wessler, New Paris, an inch of rain, along with Jason Thompson in Brookville. So a pretty decent rain event. Tom Wyckoff in Springfield at 8/10 of an inch. Live Doppler 2 HD. You can watch the rain move out. The threat of severe weather well northeast of us now from about Mansfield northeastward. A couple of light showers showing up near Arcanum and moving into the southwest corner of Logan County up around DeGraff and Quincy. Back to the west, starting to see some blue showing up in central Indiana in the colder air, so we'll have the chance of some of those rain and snow showers moving in later on this evening as the colder air sweeps in behind that low pressure center. Readings will continue to fall this evening, dropping down into the 30s, mid-30s late tonight around 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, and we won't see much rise tomorrow, staying in the low to mid-30s over the Miami Valley throughout the day. Maybe some mid to upper 30s in Butler County down toward Oxford, and then Saturday, mid-30s north, upper 30s to near 40 in the southern part of the region. Here's your time lapse up in the Troy Stouter Center, and notice the rain that was coming down there. That's about 4:20 this afternoon. It was pouring down. Then some breaks in the clouds there at sunset, and still looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies. Currently 44 in Dayton. Winds 25 miles per hour out of the west-southwest, producing a wind chill factor of 35, and the air temperatures tonight already down to 39 in Richmond, but low to mid 40s most areas. There goes the rain moving out. Here comes some of the snow flurries that'll be around later tonight and also during the day tomorrow. Our forecast tonight: few light rain showers, windy and colder. Chance of some flurries late this evening, snow showers late evening and overnight. Breezy and cold tomorrow. Few snow flurries possible, high 34 degrees, a west wind. Still pretty breezy there at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And then dry weather on Saturday, mixed clouds and sunshine. We'll see some snow and rain on Sunday. 38, could even be some small wet snow accumulations. A chance of flurries Monday, drying out Tuesday, a little milder, back into the 40s, but more rain and snow possible Wednesday with snow showers Thursday.